Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida, and today's going to be an interesting one. Just a slight chop today, an outgoing tide. As we can see, this fountain crushes it. Let's see how the rest of our captains fare as they step in the ring and attempt to do battle with the inlet. And we'll go ahead and move into the first round of our competition, where we're going to have a Mariah stepping up to try and battle Haulover, and they stuff it early. And my man in the bow's like, no, get me out of here, move, I am coming back. And man, that one is hilarious. They just came out a little slow, a little spray, gets over the top, and my man goes into full-on panic mode in the bow of the boat and decides he's going to move back behind the helm. This crew, unfortunately, they've just powered out a little too slow, and as you guys know, rules are simple here on Boats vs. Haulover. If you stuff the bow, you take the loss, and these guys will take a loss for the boats here in the first round. And of course, this will take us to the second round of our competition, and let's see if the boats can get it back on track. And here we go. Our crew is making their way out. I'm not 100% sure what kind of boat this is, but I know it's a boat that stuffs it, as these guys stuff it early as well. Just with people in the bow, coming out a little slow. Here we'll get the first angle. They just missed the stuff on the first one. Little spray, but that second wave, it gets the job done. And our crew in the bow comes out of this one completely soaked, but it's not just them, Cap's had enough as well, as immediately following this, Cap goes ahead and attempts to pull that patented Haulover U-turn, and they're going to bring this boat back into the safety of the inlet. But unfortunately for this crew, the damage is already done. This crew will take a loss here in the second round, and the boats are in trouble early, going down 2-0 in the first 2 rounds. We've only got 5 rounds. If the boats take another loss, this one could end early. And this will bring us to the third round of our competition, where we're gonna feature one of the ladies of Haulover stepping in the ring trying to do battle with the inlet, and they have to pull out a win here. And here goes our crew making their way in. They've got a good pace, things look good, and our crew's easily going to take the win here in the third round, getting the boats on the board. Even though Haulover still has a 2-1 lead, the boats are on the way to a comeback. Hopefully they can keep the momentum going as we move into the fourth round, as we're going to have an Azmit stepping into the ring here. And our crew looks pretty good. They've got a great pace, boats barely up on plane. Haulover is going to have to throw something big at a boat this size to try and knock it off its track, but I don't think that Haulover has it in it today to battle something this large, and our crew is going to make it out of the inlet without issue, taking a win for the boats and bringing us back to a 2-2 tie. As we move into the fifth and final round of our contest, who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover? Here we go, let's find out. And here in the fifth round, we've got a little cobia making its way out of Haulover, and Cap looks like he has this one down. This is just about the perfect pace for this boat. He's riding bow high, making sure he doesn't get himself into a rough spot. Here he slows down just a little bit. Can he pull through here at the end? And it looks like he's gonna make it, and the boats will take a win, and the boats get the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.